Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we are going to do lesson 44. Lesson 44 is all about contractions. So let's get started. Are you ready? Good. We've listened to the initial and final sounds of words to decide whether they were the same or different. Let's listen to the medial sounds. Where is the medial sound in a word? Correct. It is in the middle of the word. Tell me whether the medial sounds in these words are the same or different. Give me a thumbs up if they're the same and a thumbs down if they are different. Make sure that you're listening for the middle sound. The first one is hat, hot. Are the medial sounds in hat and hot the same or different? Good job. They're different. So everybody give me a thumbs down. Next are tub and tab. Are they the same? Tub, tab. Good job. Everybody's giving me a thumbs down. Bag, bag. Good job. Thumbs up. They are the same. We are hearing the eh sound in the middle. Lace, lace. Yay, good job. Sack, sock. Do you hear the same sound? No, you do not hear the same sound. Very good. Pen, pan. Good job. Thumbs down. The it in pen and at in pan do not sound the same. Rim, rim. Good job. It's a thumbs up. Excellent. You're a very good listener today. All right. So now we're going to quickly practice our letters, cards, and then we're going to get started on our worksheets. Are you ready? Cat, k, C. Balloon, b, B. Monkey, M. Equal, E. Elephant, E. Make sure you're saying these with me. Thimble, diagraph, TH. Feather, diagraph, TH. Duck, diagraph, CK. Sheep, E. Diagraph, EE. Ring, diagraph, NG. Rose, S. Kite, K. Jar, J. Yarn, Y. Zebra, Z. Apple, A. Acorn, A. Sun, S. Fish, F. Dog, D. Lion, L. Nest, N. Overall, O. Pig, P. Tent, T. Goat, G. Icicle, I. Inch, I. Octopus, O. Hat, H. Rabbit, R. Concrete, E consonant E. Dime, I consonant E. Suffix, ed. Suffix, s. Suffix, ing. Said, goes, does, who, do, into, to, of, the, you, what, come, from, are, friend, there, sure, color, your, some, been. Good job, everybody. All right. So go ahead and get out your worksheet. Lesson 44 that looks like this, contractions, and we'll get started. Are you ready? Good. Okay. Number 1, I. Remember, when you write I, we added something to it now, so we no longer just write the I. It should look like this. Good job. Okay, number 2, like feather. Like feather. That should be 2 letters. T and H. Good job. I knew you could do it. Okay, next is like elephant. Number 4 is like fish. Number 5, like octopus. Number 6, like sun. Number 7, like inch. Number 8, like balloon. Number 9 is like zebra, but we also put an S because S with a voice line gives us that Z sound, so it should be Z, comma, S. I knew I couldn't trick you. Number 10, like apple. Very good. You guys were awesome with that. Now let's move on to number 11. Put your finger next to number 11, and we're going to write the word these. Remember, we practiced these words whenever we talked about the E consonant S and the I consonant E. So think about what we learned when we did that lesson and write the word these. Did everybody spell it T-H-E-S-E? Good job. Okay, and the next one, number 12, is line. Line. O-I-N. We only hear 3 sounds, but there's something that goes at the end. Oh, good job. It is a sneaky E. It is a sneaky E. So now you should have spelled it L-I-N-E. So if you didn't, take a second and fix it. Okay? Good job. All right. Now I need everybody's close attention because we are going to learn about contractions. Contractions are fairly easy. What do we call this little mark right here? Yes, exactly. It's an apostrophe. Good job. So who can tell me what letters we've been seeing after an apostrophe? S? Yes. Yes, we have. We have learned that apostrophe S means ownership, that it belongs to someone. But this word doesn't have any apostrophe S, so it can't mean belonging. This word is different. What is this word right here? Good job. It is. It's we. Excellent. So what sound do these letters make? Good. Oh, right. This is the word wheel, as in we'll be at your house by 5. The word wheel is a contraction. A contraction is one word that is made by putting together 2 separate words and shortening them. Wheel. What 2 words do you think make up the word wheel? Wheel is short for we will. But part of the word will is missing. What's missing? Good job. It's the W-I. So what did I write on the board for the missing W-I? Yes, exactly. An apostrophe. Good job. When we write contractions, we put an apostrophe in place of missing letters. The English language has about 70 contractions. Most of them are made by leaving out 2 letters, just like our example on the board. Some contractions, though, are missing 1 letter. Let's look at a few of those examples. Who knows what this word is? Correct. It's isn't. Very good. What 2 words make up the contraction isn't? Yes, is not. What letter is missing? How many letters are missing? Correct. 1 letter is missing. So what is that missing letter? Yes, it is O in not. What 2 words make up that is not? Isn't. Sorry. It is not. Okay. Is the O at the beginning of the second word or is it in the middle? Yes, good job. It's in the middle. Sometimes the apostrophe in a contraction replaces letters at the beginning of the second word, the one that's being shortened. in the word. Wheel, the apostrophe replaced the two initial letters in will. Other times, the apostrophe replaces letters from the middle of the second word, as in the O in not. How about this one? He's. Good job. So what do you think makes up the contraction he's? He is. Excellent. So what letter, how many letters are missing in he's? Good. One letter. What letter is missing? Yes, it's the letter I. Very good. Okay, who can tell me what this last word is? Yes, let's. Let's. What two words do you think let's, the contraction let's, makes up? Excellent. Let us. Very good. It's easier to not code contractions when trying to read them. But if you need help reading a contraction, try breaking it down into two separate words. Start with the apostrophe and see if the letters before it make a word you know. Then look at the letters on the other side of the apostrophe to see what word might be shortened. Remember, the apostrophe means that letters are missing, so use that as a clue. I'm going to write two more contractions on my board that don't always follow the normal way that words are shortened. They will both be our new sight words. What is the first word? Won't. Won't. What do you think won't makes up? What two words do you think that won't makes up? Won't is short for the words will not. This contraction should say won't, but it doesn't say. It doesn't. It says won't instead, because this contraction doesn't act like it should. We'll make it a new sight word and add it to our deck today. How about this word? Who can read this word? Don't. Good. Good. Very good. Now, does anybody know what two words this word is short for? Very good. Don't is short for do not. This word is spelled correctly, but it's not pronounced as it should be. So it will also be a sight word, and we will add it to our deck. Good job. Now for number 13, we're going to practice spelling some contractions. Okay? Number 13, I'd like you to spell he's. He's. And remember, you have to put that apostrophe in. So he's. Do you see how I spelled he's? Did you spell it the same way? Good job. Our next word is can't. Can't. So think about how you would spell can't. I bet you got it. Take a look at how I spelled can't. C-A-N apostrophe T. Did you spell it that way? Good job. All right, number 15. It's. It's. That's a short one. So it's I-T apostrophe S. Good job. You did a great job on contractions today. Let's take a look at number 16. Do we code the word? Who can tell me what the word is? Good job. The word is can't. So should we code this because it's a contraction? Correct. We do not code it. Number 17, hasn't. Are we going to code the word hasn't? Nope, you're correct. We're not coding it. How about number 18, didn't? Good job. We're not coding that one either. Number 19, aisle. You're right. Once again, no coding. Number 21, wheel. Good. No coding again. All right. You guys did a great job on those. Now we're going to move to number 21. Number 21, our word is fine. Fine. How do you think we're going to code the word fine? Good. We're going to put a macron over the I and cross off that sneaky E. How about here? Good job. We hear that long E sound and we see that sneaky E, right? So this is what we have so far. I hope you're following along. Next, we have rule. Rule. Good job. It's the long U with the sneaky E. Next is hope. Good job. You got the long O, so you needed to have a macron above it and cross off that sneaky E. So far, you're doing a great job. It looks like we have one more word. Same. How do you think we're going to code same? Yes, we're going to give it a macron and we're going to cross off that sneaky E. Very good. So this is how you should have coded 21 through 25. Good job. Okay, on the homework side, you are going to read the sentences and answer the questions on 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then on number 5, 6, 7, 8, once again, you have a blend and you're going to draw a line from the blend to its keyword picture. And then make sure that you read the words in the box. Read them to mom or dad, or if you have nobody, just read them to yourself so that when you get back to school, your teacher, you can read them to your teacher. Okay? Make sure you put your name on your paper and put it in your folder to bring back to school. Good job, guys. Thanks a lot. I'll see you tomorrow.